today on the 21st of April 2024. We have Folkungagatan 160 here. We've also filmed the buildings 158 and 56 in the same house, so you can watch them as well. And those have faster traction, Kone elevator. So
Man kan säga pip.
Just turn one here.
Yeah.
The tight floss. It was built in 1991. On the glass it says November 91. Yeah. So here, in the December, it's H84439. I love the sounds and the smell in here.
Yeah.
And it's also fresh. But it could have also been automatic or something.
Yeah.
It would have been even more unique. But yeah. I still very like it a lot. I love this style too.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a little bit more unusual Kone. Yes.
Inspected by the current maintained by Tryckahiss Stockholm.
Yes.
That's
Look at